Lost access to your Blooket account through a forgotten or inaccessible email? Don't worry, we've got you covered. It can be incredibly frustrating when you can't log into your favorite learning game. This tutorial will guide you through the secure Blooket account recovery process step by step, even if you no longer have access to your registered email. First, head over to the official Blooket website. You'll want to find the login area instead of trying to log in. Look for the forgot password or need help logging in. Link this is your first crucial step. Click on that link, and you'll be taken to a page asking for your registered email address. Unfortunately, if you can no longer access this email, you can't use this direct recovery method, but don't give up yet. Scroll down on the login or forgot password page, or navigate to the Blooket support or contact us section. Here you'll find options to reach out to Blooket's support team directly. This is your next best option for regaining access. When you email their support, be as clear and detailed as possible. Include your Blooket username and explain that you no longer have access to the original email address. Provide any other account details you remember, like approximate sign-up date or previous usernames. Blooket's support team will likely request verification to ensure your account's security. This might involve answering security questions or providing additional proof of ownership. Be patient as they work through this process. Once your identity is confirmed, the Blooket support team will assist you in regaining access, often by allowing you to reset your password and link a new, accessible email address to your account. Congratulations! You've successfully restored your Blooket profile. Remember, reaching out directly to Blooket support is the most secure and effective way to recover your account when your email is inaccessible. Good luck and happy Blooketing!